When you've lived in Central Florida long enough, hurricane prep almost comes naturally. Taking care of stuff like stocking up on food, grabbing some water, and even topping off that toilet paper stash are almost knee-jerk to us Floridians. But when that storm does roll through, what happens to all of your critical IT equipment, data, and infrastructure that lives locally at your office? Things like power outages, flooding, road closures, all the stuff that we usually see when these storms roll through can bring your business to a halt. Our team here at Virtech can eliminate all the stress that comes with the Florida hurricane season by migrating your business to a cloud-first solution that's reliable, ready to use, and functional wherever you may be. Are you ready to hurricane-proof your business's IT? Click the link in my bio or use the pinned comment below and let's spend 15 minutes seeing what this could look like for your business.